How many solar panels do you need? Because solar panel efficiency and size vary greatly, typically between 20 to 50 solar panels are necessary for an average home. However, there are certain factors you need to consider. Your energy consumption. Look at your electricity bills to determine your average monthly usage. Your location and the amount of sunlight you receive. Different regions have varying levels of solar irradiation, which affects the efficiency of your panels. You can check solar maps or consult with a professional to get accurate data for your area. Available roof space. Solar panels require adequate space for installation. Look out for any obstructions like chimneys, vents, or nearby trees that might cast shadows on your roof and reduce panel efficiency. Panel wattage. Higher wattage panels produce more electricity, meaning you'll need fewer panels to meet your energy demand. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and like button if you liked this video.